welcome back to another video. Yes, we are back for another video. Haven't seen you guys in forever, like I've said in like a million of my videos before, but that's 110% my fault. Like, I don't know guys, when I get lazy, I just get like really lazy and I don't want to do anything. So I'm glad that I snapped out of that and started to get some stuff rolling for my YouTube. I have some awesome, cool new videos coming for you guys, kind of changing the direction of my channel so you can have like more variety of videos to watch on my channel, but I'll also still be doing like beauty and fashion and all that. I was just doing a little bit of everything, so I hope you guys are excited and you stay tuned for that. But the point of this video was to talk about my business and how I added lip glosses to my business. Yes, I just added 2 lip glosses to my business. The first one is Clearly. So we have our squeeze tubes. Yeah, this is a squeeze tube. But anyways, we have our squeeze tubes and we have our wand tubes, and you'll have close-ups of these. Like, don't worry you guys, I got you. So this is just a pretty clear lip gloss, and you can see like the packaging is just like so cute. Isn't it so cute? Like, so cute. And she literally smells like vanilla sugar cookie. Ugh, I love this one. It smells like sugar cookie. It's nice and clear, so if you don't want any sparkle on your lips, or you know, you just not with the sparkle or you're too grown, we have Clearly. And yeah, and I know this one is gonna be a fave, honestly, just honestly because of the scent, but like, it's such a good gloss. Then we have our next set, and this is in the color Petty. And this is just like a pink goldish color. Very pretty, and it just like sparkles so nice, and it looks so pretty on the lips, and it's not like too much like glitter on your face, so then you don't look like a 12-year-old little girl, like you look grown like you're supposed to. And that's actually the one that I have on my lips right now, and this one smells like marshmallowy goodness. So yeah, these are the lip glosses that I have available for sale. Of course, I'm gonna add like new lip glosses every month or so. I just wanted to start with something basic, and I wanted to start with colors that literally every single person can wear. Like, everyone can wear these. And I accidentally dropped my other one on the floor. But yeah, anyone can wear these colors. You're gonna look great. You're gonna look amazing and bomb. So don't forget to shop. Right now, the squeeze tubes are $3, and my wand tubes are $6, and they're only on sale for a week until next Friday. So you do not want to miss this deal, you guys. No code needed or anything. Plus, you get free shipping on every single order. So please stock up before they go up in price. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video about my little lip glosses. You know, we have some swatches over here for you guys to see it up close and how it looks on the lips and stuff like that. But yeah, I have nothing else to say. I know this video wasn't a long one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Have a good day. Bye.